Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Twoguysfinance's mobile banking security features. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this. Let's just jump straight into it and I'll show you how it's done. So the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Twoguysfinance mobile banking app. And once you're logged into your account, just select the accounts that you want to manage from the available options. And then you're going to click on security and review the security features. Now you can set up two-factor authentication, and that's going to help you to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. You could also review and update your security settings as needed. You could also monitor your account activities and take notes of suspicious activities. And you can easily just contact True Service customer service if you have any security concerns. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's mobile banking security feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next